This is a video about what you do when it's raining in a camper van. But if you've got children, there's a little bit of naughtiness in it. So maybe, oh, that's going to sound really wrong.
What started as a mattress in the back of a work van to an old Mark I Transit with no power steering, to years of saving and eventually our little T5 giving us memories we will always treasure. And finally, after the sad loss of my mother, a gift like no other.
Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think.
Bye, have fun! Follow us as we begin the next adventure in our VWcrafter campervan, sharing our trips along with ideas and product reviews for van life.
Good evening everyone, this is Camper Chats coming from our tea time, and if you watch the last video you'll know where we are. Maybe, or maybe it's the next one. Might be the next one. No, it's the last one, that's right. And I was just saying to Dave, I need to do a Camper Chats video, and I have to do these in between because I want to put a video out every week, but we don't get away enough and we don't have enough content to do it every week, do we? So I said last night it was really, really wet, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It was so wet that David didn't even go for an extra cigarette.
David?
No, I didn't say David.
David didn't even go for a cigarette. But Dave here did try.
He did try, and he came in wet as anything. And all I said was...
I took a brolly out, and the brolly went out. Went,
so I said, are we parked near any trees, Dave? Like, are we going to die? And he's like, no, I've checked, we're fine. So we slept soundly, and it was beautiful. The sound of the rain on the camper van. So today's Camper Chats is about what do you do when it's raining? Now, I'm sure you can use your imagination about what you can do when it's raining, but there is a limit to certain things, isn't there?
Depends if it's raining for a day or raining for a week, because we went to Cornwall, Lizard Point, and it literally rained all the time we were there, and it was damp, miserable,
It was
horrible, full of big spiders.
Put me off Cornwall.
And it was like... Ugh.
I need to go back to Cornwall when it's not tourist season and it's just like nice, in a camper van, not with kids. I also think Cornwall's got a bit of a, how can I put it?
Mystical witchy view.
It's got a mystical witchy view. And as I say a Christian lightly because I'm a bad Christian, but anyway, I feel it, if you like, if that makes sense. Anyway, moving on, because we don't do religion or politics, do we, at all? Don't spit your food out. We'd
never do anything political.
Anyway.
Starmer, we love.
Right, stop. Moving on. Anyway.
Here we go.
So what do you do when it's raining? So, a couple of things. Obviously, all the basic stuff. Have your games, have videos to watch, have films to watch.
Carry a load of crap that you're never going to use.
Unless it's raining.
Even when it's raining, you never use them. You just get your phone out. You go.
There's also the argument of actually carrying waterproofs and embracing the rain and getting out there and just making the best of it. But sometimes when you come back, that can cause a lot of condensation when you're drying your clothes out and things like that. So I think, and I'm talking, obviously if you plan your weekend and you know it's going to be raining, sometimes that's nice, isn't it? If it's a weekend, you know it's raining, you just have a chill out, we stay in. It almost gives you an excuse to be lazy and to just chill out. But I also think that it's good to...
Who needs an excuse?
It's good to plan things like if it's raining for a longer period, I think it's nice to maybe go like swimming because swimming, I don't mean outside, I mean like a swimming bath, because you can kind of have a nice cosy shower afterwards, and you can get clean and you feel like you've done some physical activity, but you've not been in the horrible cold rain. What else would you do in the rain? I think visiting, sorry I'm answering before I've been, but just planning places you can visit, museums and stuff like that, and maybe that's the time to spend a little more money on things like meals out or coffee shops, or just to enjoy that warmth and the atmosphere. And I think saving your money for the rain is a good idea, and then when it's not raining, doing things that don't cost money. Would you agree?
David would agree.
Yes, dear.
Do I like Wednesday, Dale?
Sorry, we've had a glass of wine, so we're in a silly mood.
Thank
So
you.
what else? What else, Dave? What else? When it's raining, when it's bad weather, you see snowy weather, I don't mind. You wrap up, you go out, it's crisp, it's beautiful. It's kind of the most beautiful time to go. It's when it's that constant, that only someone in Britain says the drizzly rain, you know, the one that gets you wet. It's like all rain gets you wet, but you know what I mean? That kind of just raining all the time and it's just dull and it's rubbish.
But I think the fact that we've just come from a really good summer,
really have.
and it's suddenly hitting us now, and it's like the temps dropped and everything. It's a bit more critical.
Do you think it's a good idea, maybe, say if you travel a bit longer term, I think that if it was raining a lot through the seasons, I would use like local gyms. And the reason I'd do that is A, to get some physical activity in and to get a shower.
Piffle and poppycock, I'd just be smelly. Just stay indoors and be smelly.
You just go in the shower and have an extra long shower, wouldn't you? And I'd be like working out.
Yeah. I go, stretch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, reach.
Anyway, there's not a lot else to say. We're literally doing a camper chats now because I just said to Dave, I haven't got a camper chats for my next camper chats. We need to have a chat, and the camper chats is much better if you just like do it impromptu.
Do any of you do Tai Chi? I can remember when I was in the army in Hong Kong, there used to be people everywhere out in Hong Kong doing.
Does it rain in Hong Kong?
Of course it does.
What,
It's
like
down,
it? Yeah,
humid.
but isn't it
Oh,
like...
it has rain.
Don't swear,
way
Dave,
worse.
because I have to beep it out.
Piddling
It's a pain.
down.
Don't you find, though, in those places, it like rains, and then that's it, it lifts.
No, because
It
it
doesn't
rains,
just rain all day.
and then it's just humid and sweaty and hot and.
Yeah, but that don't
itchy.
not raining, is it?
No, but it might as well be because you're soaking wet.
Oh,
you're
right, okay.
drenched.
So what do
it's
people
humid.
there do?
There's a lot of pubs.
Go to the pub.
There's a lot of bars
It's
in Hong
expensive,
Kong.
though. You're talking expense, you see. Do you think winter is the time to not be in your camper van and to go and travel somewhere? I know. Travel to Europe, never mind England. If you've got a camper van and you're living in it, why not just travel somewhere hot? I was watching Campervan and they went to Portugal on this campsite where there's all the facilities and everything, dead cheap in winter, and they
winter out
literally
there,
worked winter there. That's what I'd do if we could. I mean, we're not in that position yet. But I think, why not? You know. But I think in England, it's nice in a way, as long as you've got a heater and you've got purpose for the day. I do think you have to get out of your camper
People
van,
go on
though.
about going abroad. I tell you what, this neck of the woods here, we're in Derbyshire, and it's not far from where we live, an hour and a half away.
It's beautiful, isn't
And
it?
I've never been here and seen all of this. This is beautiful round here. It is absolutely stunning. And I think, why go abroad? Why go to France and be abused?
You can't say that, Dave.
Why go
That's
to
political.
Why go to any capital city, right? Which are all like Mogadishu
Oh,
now.
yeah, they are.
Why
No,
even bother when you can just stay in your own country that is beautiful and see stuff like this? This is, what's his name? Who's the painter? The sunflowers.
Gogh.
Vincent. Yeah.
Vincent van Gogh.
We've got a Van Gogh on our
You probably
doorstep.
can't even see
Let me
that.
show you
Let
this.
me show you.
We've got Van Gogh on the doorstep. Tell me, do I need to go to Europe?
Right, shut the door. It's freezing.
Piffle and poppycock. What's that? Some orange just come up.
No, it's because I touched the gimbal. It's like, oh, you touched me.
You touched the gimbal?
Right, I need wine. Excuse me, I've run out of wine. Hold your red wine
No.
because you spilt it everywhere last night.
Didn't. She made me throw it. She hit me.
Literally, it was
She
everywhere. The
assaulted me.
next morning, we found it everywhere.
She assaulted me.
Even on his top that was a bit tight, so he was like...
I've got a white top that's now spotty white top. People who know where our wine's hidden, they might break into the van and just steal wine.
Oh, I don't want that.
See, all this coming out here is just hers. Keep that one out, it's mine.
That's
Keep
yours.
that one.
Dave has red, I have white. Oh, that's red as well.
Good choice.
That's red as well.
Well, what more can I say?
Here's mine.
5 reds to 1. 5 to 1.
Running out of wine, Dave.
Well, that's because you're a lucky one.
Oh.
Cheers.
Right.
Left. Lush.
Oh, do you know, I'm not even going to call this what you do when it's raining. I'm going to call it me and Dave talking a load of waffle.
Waffle on.
So one of the things, if you've like, games are a good idea. So a game of cards.
They're not, because you
It's a
carry
good
them
idea.
everywhere. But, well, yeah, we have played cards.
We have played
recently.
cards. Cards are fun.
Strip Jack naked.
Stop, Dave. You can play cards. You can play. You can do
Role-playing.
exercises in your camper van. You can go for a walk. I think you just need to get out there. I can't put that in, Dave. Anyway,
What's wrong with you?
I don't know what else to say other than, right, it's camper chat. So, what do you do when it's raining? Keep it clean. What do you do when it's raining and it's grim?
The rain usually does keep it clean. You know.
What do you do? How do you manage? How do you cope being in a small space with your husband when it's raining all the time? Yeah.
So a duct.
Dave and I, when we first met, so Dave had just come out of the army. Well, actually, you'd done a little bit, hadn't you? But you were still pretty, like, you know, feisty. And I was doing Thai boxing. So I was training at the time for, I think I was training for my England fight or something, I don't know. But anyway,
She beat up a Dutch girl.
yeah, I was very slim, fit and hard then, and I'm not now, which is fine. I'm okay with that. I'm old. But it was really funny because we used to have like little boxing matches, and when I say a boxing match, we used to like proper go for it. Because, you know, when you train like that, you kind of don't mind getting it because you just give it back. It's kind of a bit of fun. Anyway, so we did this and it was really funny because obviously it was Thai boxing, and Dave, being Dave, went for a knee, got me between the legs, and I dropped to the floor.
It works.
Because it really hurt. And then he'd ran off into the bathroom and locked himself in the bathroom. And I'm in agony on the
only
floor,
room in the
laughing
house
my
with a
head
bolt
off.
on the door.
He's like, are you all right? From the bathroom.
And I could hear this growling from the other side.
So funny. Oh, we used to have such a laugh, didn't we? We used to play games of like batter each other to get them out the bed. And now our bedroom, we've got such a big bed that there's only like that much on either side of the bed, so we can't do it anymore because we just get stuck down the side of the bed.
literally wake up to me side on in the bed, feet against the body, and go get out.
Yeah, you would. You'd have like a proper battle,
And
wouldn't
they'd
you?
like clinging onto the bed to stop. No. And once you fell out, you'd lost. That were it.
Yeah.
You had to go and make a brew or
We
something.
used to be quite violent with each other, didn't we?
Yeah, you did.
But it was
wouldn't
kind of fun, you know? It was
I
fun.
wasn't. The accused is an innocent man.
It wasn't abuse at all.
No, it was.
It was all equal.
Oh, shit.
Can't swear.
I didn't. Bull poo.
Anyway, waffle from Ruth and Dave. Oh, Dave, you're always burping and farting on camera. I said that a bit loud. We've just been chatting to one of ours. She's okay. She's having a rant.
Got to ring her back. I must remember tomorrow.
They're all right. They're fine. Our neighbours might not be, but...
Camper chats, what wine do you prefer? Malbec or Merlot?
Or
Are you a red or a white person?
Chardonnay.
And
Although,
what are your recommendations?
I got these. I don't even know what this is because I can't see because I haven't got my glasses on.
And are you a glass half full, half empty, or just a full glass? You know what I mean? There's
Got
a lot-
mine from-
There's a lot to be said for a full glass.
I was in Sainsbury's and they had an offer on, so I couldn't refuse.
So it's like she's bought me 5 or 6 and got herself one.
Yeah. No, actually,
Chin chin.
it was equal. I can have red too.
No, you can't. No. Don't think that.
Anyway, anything else? So write in the comments what you do when it's raining. How do you deal with it? Do you just dress for it and go anyway? Do you just, whatever you've planned you're going to do? Do you do museums and stuff? Do you...
Do you find just moaning about it helps you?
Yeah, being
Because I
British.
like moaning about the weather. It is British, yeah.
It's going to be, I think it's going to be a really cold winter this year, don't you?
I think it's going to be in another month. You're going to see frosticles when you breathe.
I'm so glad because Dave came back with a whole load of wood the other day, like a whole tree, which is good because I brought a tree back last year, so we've got enough for this year and enough for next year.
Just got to season it.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Oh, a Rover
Oh,
P9.
look at that. That's an old one, isn't it?
It's an old Rover.
Look at the suspension.
Beautiful. Annie Walker off Coronation Street.
It's
That was
just
her
gone
car.
past.
Fred used to drive her about, didn't he? And that was the car. Just went by. Even the same colour.
Oh.
Annie
Have we
Walker.
anything else to say?
Bon voyage.
We
Enjoy
need to
yourselves.
wash. We need to
And
wash up now.
My wife needs to wash up now.
Dave's going to do DIY.